In the heart of the mountains where the pines stand tall, Schroon Lake glimmers, it's a nature's call. Drone shot media, they rise on high, capturing beauty beneath that vast blue sky. Bird's eye view, all the colors explode, crafting memories down a winding road. Soaring high, capturing moments divine, aerial magic where the mountains intertwine. Schroon Lake shines like a diamond so bright, Roadside dreams in the heart of the night. Around the sun starts to fade, every angle shows the work that they've made. From dawn till dusk they never hold back, shooting wild wonders with talent intact.